How to create Telegram account without phone number. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can create Telegram account without phone number. Now, in order to or in order to be able to create a Telegram account with a phone number is not possible. Unfortunately, you will have to need a number. However, there is a quick solution or an internet solution to it. If suppose you don't own any numbers so that you can log into the Telegram, or you don't want to use your personal account, your personal phone number into the account, then what you can do is you can go ahead and you can head into your browser and search in for virtual number for OTP. Now these links will provide you the free number where you can use it and get the SMS and try and log into the account on Telegram and create an account. So this is the alternate way that you can create Telegram account if you don't own a number. However, it's not possible to create without phone number. You need to know that. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.